Welcome to Perry Sandhills, a place where time, wind and earth have shaped an otherworldly landscape right here in Outback, New South Wales. Just a few minutes' drive west of Wentworth, these ancient red sand dunes cover more than 400 hectares. They've been shaped by wind over tens of thousands of years, creating waves of shifting sand that seem to roll on forever. Walking here feels like stepping into a desert dreamscape. But these aren't just pretty dunes. Perry Sandhills is layered with history. For the Barkindji people, this land is sacred. According to dreaming stories, these sandhills were created by ancestral spirits. The area remains a place of cultural significance, and when you walk these dunes, you're treading on country, full of stories, spirits, and memory.
One of the most striking sights is the ancient river Red Gum, partially buried in the sand and estimated to be over 500 years old. This weathered tree has seen more history than we can imagine. It's a powerful reminder that the dunes are still moving, still alive.
Today, Perry Sandhills is a playground for nature lovers and adventurers. Explore on foot, bring a boogie board to slide down the dunes, or simply take in the views with your camera. It's also a popular filming location, so don't be surprised if you recognize it from a TV show or two.
There's no entry fee, no fences, just open space and windswept beauty. Visit in the morning or late afternoon for the best light and fewer crowds.
Whether it's the colours, the stories, or the silence of the sand, Perry Sandhills is one of those rare places that leaves a lasting mark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Australian adventures, because there's still so much to see.